How to stop auto color and contrast adjustment in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon. After click on this four dot icon, click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and click on intelligent optimization. After click on intelligent optimization, if you want to stop auto color and contrast adjustment, and if you want to stop this, so click on minimum. After click on minimum, you will see auto color contrast adjustment is stopped. After click on minimum, go back to home screen. So that's how you can stop auto color and contrast adjustment in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.